Sustainability is part of our lives. If you drive in a sustainable and efficient way, you're contributing to the reduction of polluting emissions. Especially if you use a VARTA battery, you're doing much more for the planet. With VARTA batteries, the linear economy based on the extraction of raw materials and waste disposal is transformed into a closed circular economy that promotes reuse and recycling. Lead-acid batteries are the most widely recycled product in the world, more than aluminium cans or newspapers. 98% of lead batteries in vehicles are collected and recycled at end of life. In this way, we've become one of the largest recyclers in the world. Globally, we set the highest standards for each recycling plant, where our environmental and social responsibility is paramount. Our European regional production guarantees the safety and quality of the processes, protecting the environment and improving the economy. Under these three principles, VARTA offers the most reliable and environmentally friendly batteries. Let's continue creating a sustainable and responsible future together. It all starts with VARTA.